First, I'm going to pray for you. Now you have the glory. T, I will empower you through my honest self-talk, me being real to you, so you can reach your goals. I want you to what? I want you to reach your goals. I want you to be successful, and I want you to grow. It's okay. You're going to take one step at a time, T. Look at my videos. Come on and talk. T, take your permit test. Go to the DMV. Answer those questions. T, I'll go over everything you need on the permit test. I will always help you. I will give you that support. I will make sure, because we all start out as what? Pedestrians, walking, riding our bike. As we grow up, you're going to need to get to a job. You're going to need to pick up your mom and dad. You're going to need to, if you have a child, take them back and forth to mom's house, dad's house, grandparents' house. You will manifest getting a job. You will manifest getting your license. I am here for you, and I'm glad you enrolled back in school. Amen. We are learners throughout our lifetime. Going to school doesn't mean that you're a teen. You can go to school at 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Get that bag. That's what it's all about, getting your bag. And if you get your bag, you get it through education, you get it through hard work, and you're gonna have to have transportation. I'm here to tell you, you gotta have confidence when you get on the road. We're talking about adult learners right now. You put in your comments, right? How old are you? Where are you from? I'm from the Midwest. Shout out, T. Here we go. We're talking about adult learners. Let's see. Adult learners or adults learning to drive for the first time often outperform teens. So teens, guess what? Someone in their 20s is going to outperform you because our mindset is different. Our hazard perception is different because we spent more time as a passenger. Now we're watching mom, we're watching dad, we're watching auntie, we're watching uncle. You have grown up in the back seat, from the baby seat to the car seat. Now you're watching mom and dad. Your older brother or sister has a different perspective. They really want to drop you off at school, but they're scared. They really want to go to hang out with their friends, but they're scared. This live will help you not be scared. That's right, not being scared. Now, I'm going to reframe this, and I want you to understand this. No one's going to do this except for you. Y-O-U, okay? And we're going to break it down, and I'm going to tell you how and why we break this down. Reframe it as saying, I am starting what actually matters to me. This is the single biggest mindset shift I see work. I want all of you to feel comfortable asking me questions. What's up, Jeremiah? I want all of you to feel comfortable sharing your journey, sharing your story, okay? There is anxiety. There is lack of motivation. I'm here because I'm personally sharing the journey, sharing the story. And thank you. I want all of you to feel positive and good about what we're doing. Most late starter anxiety isn't about the car. It's about being watched and judged for mid mistakes. You love my content because I'm real. I speak truth. I will clock your T. But I'm going to show you love. I'm going to be honest. I'm like your chilled uncle. Boy, don't hit that car. Girl, check your blind spot. Don't smash this car. I'm giving you the keys to the car. I'm showing you love. I'm not your mom. I'm not your dad. I'm going to keep it real, right? So it's all about having consistency. We all want to be heard. No one is being ignored. We all have a journey. And when we work together, we help our community. This is not about me. This is not about you. This is about our community. And once you learn that driving is about a community, you'll get the selfishness out.